to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Anna. And Anna says that, basically her job was taken away from her. Basically, she got fired because of some people that, she will mention in her video to say that they had been calling and emailing and doing lots of stuff for her to lose her job. And it's been a while. And she hasn't really said anything. But now that she lost her job because her job is tired of the people reaching out to them, then she's going to talk. And she has a trip, upcoming trip as well, that she would need assistance with. She said that she need $1,000 so that she'll be able to go on this trip and be able to, buy the little stuff for her kid and her mom as well. So guys, you're gonna have to go and catch the video. She did mention 13 and she mentioned other people, basically not by name fully, but you will understand while she's speaking. And remember guys that you have to listen to the video. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, I wish you prosperity and long life and everything that your heart truly, truly desires this year. And for all my other lovelies, my subscribers, my followers, my friends, my family, whoever you may call me, have yourselves a wonderful evening. And Anna is also selling her products. You may want to go over and go support her with that. Have a great one now.
Which business may I tell them now, Sonia Blake, darling? Good afternoon. Which business may I tell them? Stop telling them, say, may I travel? May I travel? And somebody buy me tickets, and me I look money for go. So, which business may I tell them? That? Somebody buy me the ticket and me I travel suddenly. Suddenly me going out. So they have to know. Make them make you look now since them see me I go somewhere. Make them dead. Make them see me I go. Make them dead. You know, life is very unfair. When me say look sore foot 13 for go use, for go get some cotton. Stop pushing her nose and get one pen. Let somebody put some cotton on her nose, get one pen and push up in there. And shut her eye. Because she's a walking dead. Everybody have a problem with that. And say, nobody should reach no death for nobody. And nobody should reach no this and that for nobody. But nobody now see. And now hear. When she say, she want when me a feed the homeless them. One of the homeless them take up a big stone. And give me a ratty licking on me head side, knock me out. Nobody not see that. And nobody not hear that. Yeah. Yeah, it's okay if she say that about me. But you know, okay if when me clap back and say back something about she. Oh, one way the world I go. I want the world I go one way now. Oh. Come guys, because somebody cash out on Zelle, guys, please. Those who don't have cash out by Zelle, send me a WhatsApp message. Me I beg a look money for myself. Me want get 1,000 US for travel with. Me I get 1,000 US to travel with. Yes, my love. So me I beg you a look strength. Revenge is mine. What is the revenge? Talk good. Come on, understand, you know. Me don't like when me have to jump out on you too strong. So tell me, what is the revenge is yours? Because vengeance is mine. Thus said the Lord. So, what kind of revenge is yours? Come, guys, please. Hey, Shalian. Please, never gonna want to look money, guys, for myself. And the cash about the Zelle. I try to get one look money for myself. I beg gonna want to look me. Remember now, me I go out there go feed the homeless. I take me time and go out there go do something good. And this look all cemetery girl. I contact say she wish and she a pray for one of the day me go out there. One of the homeless knock me out. So something good that? Eh? I know something good that. So me have to tell her back something for burn her. I have to tell her back something bun her down, because I'm a human being. So I have to tell her back something, but for bun her. And that's the best thing I couldn't tell her. Could have come soft, I have to come harder. Yeah. Oh, okay, that's what I mean, Jessica. Okay. That's what I mean. Me have to tell her something after. Yeah. Come guys, me I try to forget if me get $500 today. And today, you can put $50 too. If me get 500 today. So me come back again tomorrow for next 500. Cause remember me I travel soon. Yes, Miss Marva, same so. Them can run with this. Yeah, run with this. Cause me now come out and come ball for nothing. Nothing for this earth me now come ball for. And if me want food, me I come out come beg food. And if my mother grocery for buy, I mean I have the money, me I come out come beg grocery for me paying up mother. But we shall not go to bed hungry. And me soon get one next work. Cause somebody would have called me for right here. Hey Blossom, hi. Somebody would have called me for right. More want driving work. Yeah, more want driving work for 3 days a week. More want driving work for 3 days a week. Saturday, Friday, and Thursday. More want driving work for 3 days a week. Anybody have no driving work, I'm a very good driver. Anybody have a driving work, me have my license how much years, and me never crash it. 1,000, that's a lot. Daniel, how much you are saying? Warm to that. Warm to that. Me and your mouth your Sonia price? Me never know. Me never know say I eat out your pot. Me never know say you're my parents. Any girl tell me nothing, me not like it, me love. Me I tell them back something of them not go like. Whether 2 wrongs can make right, it a go make blood cleat right. Cause if a girl lick me, I lick back a girl, me not take no girl lick. Me not take no lick for no girl. So what you want to tell me say? If she backs me on the side there, don't box her back on the side there. Pray to God about it. Because 2 wrongs can make right. That's what you tell me. How are you? How are you, man? Sonia Price, how are you? What you want to tell me say? If a girl box me on the side there, if you gonna want to go ball, if a girl box me on the side there, I mash up her face. Yeah. I not take it. Me take it and go lay down and ball. Cause 2 wrongs make right. And me must act me age. Not my shoe size. When me pass my shoe size and reach on my dress size now. Because any girl say nothing to me, no like me I answer them. If me feel like answer, me I answer. You know so now some look up dirty bungle. You know how long me sit down here and take advantage about things? You know how long? Me sit down here and take advantage about things one heap of time. I mean I normally say nothing, me I cut and go through. And now me have all right now in my power me hand. If you come out, you come class, you know. Me have right now, you know. Can I tell you, you know. And on top of that, you know report my page. For Facebook want to take on my page. And you see on top of that, you know make me lose my work. You know send me an email and call in for my job every minute. And the people I'm tired. So me not have no work. So me supposed to come class and no rinse and no out. Yeah. Me supposed to come class and up. And rinse and out all day and all night. 30 day, 40 day and 40 night. But though at me age and not my shoe size, woman me tell you move like a dirty nasty. So you say, you better tell her? You better move fast and me have to tell you what today here, woman. You better move fast and me have to tell you thing today. Oh. You know, go on like I said, me not have no feelings. You know, go on like me not have no feelings. Let me take out a look a big front girl for this. I never want to see you. Away black button, the black. Cause me not have time, me not have time. Me not have time. Someone me have to just black on and move along. I have to just black someone and just move right along. Cause you not make no sense. Someone not make no sense. You realize that I can't go live on my next page? Eh? You realize? Me can't go live on my next page. You not realize that there's a page I have to come live on. So me I say when you follow that page, guys, call that page, I go do live. You them too wicked. Them too wicked, so right now. Come guys, me I beg a look money, me get turtle already. 20 from Gracia and Lola send me 10. $970 more. Me I try to get guys. All of my supporters them please me I beg on a look of strength. Me I look $970 more now. Cost of living is very, very high. Me I got one country where I don't know nobody. And me alone I go, you know, guys. Me alone I go. Me alone I go there. No know nobody there. Me I beg a look. A look. Me there ask for something about Facebook. But me figure it out. That's why I did it back in message. Cost of living is very, very high, guys. Very, very. And me I got one different country. Me glad for look getaway. Me so happy and glad for. Me so happy. Me not understand much about YouTube, you know, Marie. Me not Merle. Me not understand much about YouTube. When the person want me that make help me with the YouTube. The person too busy for me. Me not understand much about the YouTube. God know me not understand the YouTube. Me not understand the YouTube. That's why you see me now. They on YouTube. If me find somebody to help me with the YouTube and something, whatever money me make. Me there and I'm me there bigger money. Want for money for make up and go somewhere. If me find somebody to help me with the YouTube, we can do more YouTube. If me find somebody to help me with the YouTube, and then whatever I make, we can give the person something more tight each time I get paid. But me not nobody to help me with it. Nobody to help me with it, girl. And somebody want know free. No fee, run a page, monetize the page, make top meal, and then sitting there. That more somebody want know for do it. So we know say anything me make, we know say them I get something more side, you understand? That more than one. Cause me no craving for money, you know. Me don't wanna say my belly full. Me don't want my belly for bang. Me no craving for money. That's one thing with me. Me no craving for money, me tell people all the time. Me tell people all the time, so me not craving for money. Me don't go and know say, me eat and my belly full, me alright. Me no matter. If somebody have to get a cut, it no matter me. Me don't go and know say, me eat and my belly full and me good. And like some people, they don't want to share. You know what I mean? You and them do the thing together. And then nobody want to get nothing. None of me that. I'm not craving for money. I'm not craving for money. As long as I get a slice of cake, me alright. Them fi always a provoke and a trouble me. And me not fi answer them. Me not fi answer them. And the moment me answer, me not problem. The moment me answer, look up deadbeat girl them out here. Me not problem. It look like me I live a people yard. Look like me have me one a door now. From me at 17, me I push me one a key. I know me how much year old I know. Me never remember. The job of a calendar, me no remember me how much. And it look like me supposed to steal. Me supposed to start take chat now from girl out in a world, yeah. When the whole of us will gone off of this earth, yeah. Whole of us will gone off of this earth, yeah. So me not see why me supposed to make people bully me. And the whole of us will gone off of this earth. We ain't go there for a little time and we are pass through. People not supposed to trouble me. And if once in a while if me say something, it's a big problem. Once in a while if me say something, I not say something all the while. Not supposed to be no trouble. But what them do to me, no talk about that. What them do to me, you know. What them do to me look like it's okay with everybody. Ain't nobody talking about all these bitches wicked and stay and they should never interfere or touch my job. Nobody now look upon that. Nobody now look upon that, you know. No. Nobody now look upon that and say one thing. And I ever do her work. She ever go look at work. She not trouble nobody. She ever go look at work. Them provoke her. Nobody now look into that and say one thing, man. Oh God. One thing with Anna, no matter what. She ever go. You don't want to look at the thinking man I'm used to with. And me and him not there no more, so no can take him and share him up. And yam him raw. And me and him not there no more. You don't still a fight me. Eh? If Bible if you can't take a little piece of all house, I'm living out and take it. Look how I'm progressive. I since my move come here. Me put on the veranda here. Since my move come here, December 15 move. And I since my move put on the veranda. And if me step out that's right now, I don't look up. You know, she say upstairs are steal up. And guess what? Me no knock no on the door. Me vehicle me have out there, me sell it. Me sell a nice vehicle and I want to look up a old one. I use the money buy material put by my house. Me don't know the same thing, me have ambition, I don't have none. One thing, you can say, okay, she in her one lane, she don't business about nobody, she do her one little thing down a country. When I don't know what love call people workplace, when I don't know how to take up on the phone, if you call somebody workplace, I see? I want to take up on the phone if you call somebody workplace. When the damn tongue out tongue cross now, when the blood teeth throat. Remember me tell you that. Because I know me alone no dey sitting there too. Not me alone no do that too. You can I go get through all the time? Company will not look. But you not get through all the time. I mean now give up. Now make no want to make me give up or back down. I'm gonna follow the page, guys, because the page I'm gonna do my life pan here now. So I'm gonna follow up the page, Blessings Flow Anna. That's some of day. Blessings of the Flow page up and pause for now. I try to sort it out. Up and pause. Blessings Flow Anna. That's the page. Alright, people. So I'm gonna follow up the page here. Really. I'm glad to see me. Glad to me I get a little break. And first time do them something I tell you. And I'm here the first. I saw them stay. I remember me over my page. Me not see nobody, me not trouble them. And them send come call me all the time. They on my page, me not see them. Them I try to take down my Facebook page. Them people here come out, they want me commit suicide now. And that them I try. Them people are trying.